Today I'm making onion sabji in matka. While onions are cooking, I'm mixing this masala. So it's besan, garam masala, asafetida, salt, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and fresh coriander. I'll mix it, and once onions are cooked, I'm going to add this one. So onions are almost cooked, and now I'm going to add the masala I prepared earlier. And mix it. I'm also adding little water so the masala can cook. And I'll let this cook for another maybe 5-7 minutes so besan is cooked properly, and that will be done. You can see the sabji is perfectly cooked. Serving it with bajri rotla. So here is my complete thali.